It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pomfret, or 13 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Killingly, Burteville, Situate, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Foster, Pomfret, Hampton, and Eastford. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.